Here's how to fix. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account or log in. First of all, make sure that WhatsApp is updated from the Google Play Store. Just search for WhatsApp and tap on update if it's outdated. If you're still seeing the same error, then manually updating WhatsApp can fix this. And to do that, open your browser, then search download WhatsApp for Android. Go to this website from whatsapp.com, click download WhatsApp directly, then download the APK file, and when it's downloaded, tap on the file to update WhatsApp manually. If you see any permission pop-ups, make sure to allow them. If it still asks for the official WhatsApp, then this can sometimes happen if there's some issues with the Google Play Store or Play services. So in the next step, what we're gonna do is go to settings of your Android device, then go to apps and search Google Play. Now go to Google Play Store, Storage, and clear both cache and data. Don't worry, you won't lose any progress, and you may just need to choose your Gmail account once again. After clearing Google Play Store data, go to Google Play Services and repeat the same process. Sometimes you may need to clear the data a few times to clear out most of the data. And after you have deleted your Google Play Store data, you'll also need to clear the cache of your WhatsApp. And then you can go ahead and open WhatsApp once again. Now you should not get the pop-up. In some cases, the problem is tied with the Google account that you used to install WhatsApp from Play Store. So in the next step, you can try uninstalling WhatsApp, changing your Play Store account, and reinstalling WhatsApp, then logging back in. And you should also note that if your Android device is rooted or you're using a custom ROM, then this can cause this error to pop up. So if that's the case, then you'll have to reset your Android device and you should install it back with the official ROM or OS. Another trick that can work if you're still getting the error is logging in with a different number and afterwards go to the switch account option and then add the account that won't work. And that's about it. So let us know which step worked and stay tuned for more.